Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. This is my another review video about NDS lecture and topic use data to build better schools. Based on the video content and multiple reliable memories, I will share key points. First for all, why data matters in education. NDS explain how data, especially from the PISA test, help us understand what makes education system effective. And next, BISA measures the knowledge and skill of 15 years old globally, focusing on what students can do and with what they do and with what they know. And also, data moves decision making from assumption to evidence based insights that can truly improve learning outcome. And we also talk about globally comparisons or reveal differences like country differs significantly in student performance, student nation outperformance other by years of learning. And global ranking help policymakers see where improvements are needed and what strategies work elsewhere. And the data show how that higher degree doesn't always equal better skills. True learning is about application and problem solving. He also talk about equity and excellence can coexist like high performing system are those that combine both excellence or equity. Success for all students, not just the top. And these systems ensure that students from all backgrounds get strong educational opportunities and reducing the influence of socio-economic background or achievement is key. And we also talk about teaching quality and professional development like the most important factor in the student success is teaching capability, not just school funding. And successful system invest in recruiting talent teachers, offering continuously training and fostering collaboration. Teachers are given professionally autonomy to tailor instruction to the student's need. He also talk about data leads to smarter policy choice, like simple increasing spending doesn't guarantee better results, or how resources are used matters more. And he also talk about data helps government in identify where investment will make the bigger difference, and it also make disparity is visible, allowing the targeting improvement policy adjustment. He also talk about rethinking assessment and skills like traditional tests often measures the memorization, not real capability, but PIS emphasizes applied skill. Education should focus on critical thinking, problem solving, creativity, and real man application. Assessment should help learning grow, not just rank students. And mindful for the a global mindset for the future. What that was, and education is increasingly globally. Success is about preparing students to complete and contribute worldwide. Leadership in top system value education as a long-term investment in society prosperity, and data gives countries a clear picture of what working and what isn't, enabling better planning. And this was my review. I hope you learn a lot from it. Stay in touch with me. I will keep sharing many useful things, many useful information on a daily basis. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.